In this extremely short video, we're going to see how to use the 10-day challenge tool so we can maximize this. First of all, the big question is, do you have it? Can you actually document yourselves for 10 working days, 5 each week? That's the real challenge. That's where people drop out. It's not for technical reasons, it's for reasons of commitment. But if you have this file, it's very simple to use. So you can see you have all days, like day 1 all the way to day number 10. All you need to do is super simple, okay? In the morning, noon, afternoon, whatever, you write the activity that you did, okay, and how many minutes it took you. You can choose to document also your routines that are extra to work, like, I don't know, your morning routine, if you meditate, if you read, if you work out. You can definitely document all these things. But what we're looking for is, of course, working time. And during these periods, morning, noon, afternoon, and of course, we also have the evening down here. Now, what you want to do is you just want to write down the activity. Okay, let's say, I don't know, staff meeting. It doesn't matter when it happened, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, doesn't really matter. Let's say we had a staff meeting and it was 60 minutes long. Use only minutes. Don't write one as an hour or something like this, just minutes. And don't worry about anything else. Now, of course, you can even use not round figures if it's 32 minutes, but it would be easier for you to just use round figures. And it's very flexible. Yeah, right. What is morning? What is noon? It doesn't really matter. Okay, you make the decision and I left for you a lot of slots in each time period, like in the morning and then noon, like 10 different slots for 10 different activities. You don't have to fill everything, of course. You can be only one activity per time slot, and then you move on to noon time. I don't know, emails. Okay, you were working on emails and it took you 25 minutes. Okay, and so on and so on. This is what you do roll through afternoon, evening, and so on. And you will see that some of the things are calculated automatically, right? You see it becomes hours automatically. So you don't have to touch anything. But whatever you do, don't touch the formulas. And most important, don't touch the grades. Keep it null, right? This column, grade, 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 don't touch it. Just very simple, very simple. Staff activities, how much time it took you in minutes, that's it. Roll through the 10 days, right? My advice for you is to keep this file open and do it during the day, not at night when you try to summarize in your head. During the day, be honest with yourself. That's the only way. There's not a test. You cannot fail. You can only improve. So be honest how you spent your time during your working day, even if you did things that are not work related, took a lunch break, coffee break, cigarette break, just had a chat, gossiped with a friend in the office for 25 minutes. Log this in, put everything in. This is the only way I can really help you. And after 10 days, let me know that you're finished.